Okay, welcome to our science lesson today. We are going to be talking about materials. So what is a material? A substance used to make something is called a material. What material are these made from? What's a window made from? Shout it out. Glass, of course. A door, like our classroom door? Shout it out. It's made from wood, of course. Well done. And our school chairs, what are our school chairs made from? They're made from plastic. And we can have a look here and we can see that these are some of the other items that have been made using, the chair has been made by using wood, the window glass, the jumper fabric, the bottle has been made by plastic, the mug by ceramics, just like mine, a nail has been made by metal, an envelope has been made by paper, and a belt has been made from leather. So these are the materials that can be used for these items. When an object is designed and made, it is important to choose the best material for the job. Materials can come from living things. Wood, paper, and cardboard are all made from trees. Can you think of anything that it comes from a living thing? Think about it. See if you get any of mine. Wool comes from sheep. Cotton comes from plants. And this is a special one. Mother of pearl is a hard, shiny, and colourful material used for jewellery. It comes from the inside of certain shells. Let's take a look. Have you ever seen anybody wearing any jewellery just like this? Materials can also come from non-living things. I'll give you a second to think about things that come from non-living things. Let's think. Metals and precious gems, such as diamonds, are taken from rocks in the ground. Chalk, clay, coal, and sand are also examples of materials from non-living things. And then, some materials are a mixture of living and non-living things. Soil is made up of tiny organisms, dead plants, stones, particles of rock, air, and water. Some materials can absorb better than others. What does it mean, can absorb? To absorb is when something takes in another substance. Have you ever wondered why some towels pick up more liquid than others? This is absorption. Now this is the fun part. This is the hidden Lego Man experiment. So this is what you need. So pause it when I post it. You will need different types of paper cut into squares, thin paper, thicker notebook paper, and cardboard work really well. But what you have around your house will also work, I'm sure. Some Lego men or other small toys. Basin of water. So pause the video here and go and collect your items. Next, I want you to fold each corner of the paper into a triangle so it looks like this. So you must start off with a square of each of them. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it must be a square, so you can fold in the corners. Which piece of paper do you think will absorb the water the easiest? The thin paper, the notebook paper, or the cardboard? Or it depends on what you have, of course. Place a Lego man inside each folded paper and place them all on the water at the same time. That's important to do it at the same time, so you might need some help to get people to put them in at the same time. Sit back and watch to see which paper absorbs the water the quickest and the easiest. My results. Now, pause the video here if you want to go and do your experiment. Off you go. Okay, time for my results. This is what I did. The thin paper worked the best. It absorbed the water the quickest and the easiest, followed by the notebook paper and then the cardboard paper. And the thin paper revealed a hidden Lego man, didn't it? This science. Okay, paper is made up of lots of fibers. As they absorb the water, they swell and the paper expands, which made the triangles open up. Different types of paper absorb water at different speeds. And thinner paper absorbs more quickly as it has thinner fibers. That's the end of the materials lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me see your results too. Thank you.